Hi there, friends, Romans, and them other people. I pushed a bullet into my cog, but now I'm having trouble with my lathe. I'm having trouble with my lathe, I am. Again. I'll show you what's happening. Well, I'll try and show you what's happening. And again, I just don't know. Check first. Well, it looks alright, don't it? But it's not. It's an optical illusions. I had to put that wedgie in there to stop this bouncing up, because it bounces up and jams because it comes up too high. Because the pin on the other side of yours snapped, I put another pin in. The holes are slightly elongated. Right, now you'll see what happens. That's enough noise to scare anybody. Drilling the 3 holes out, because there's 3 holes behind that lever. There's 3 holes behind you for this thing. We've got just that bottom one. It's been a bit of a female. I know you can buy most of the parts for one of these old Boxfords, but they're still available. But the part was knackered is actually this, where the holes go into it. Just that one there. We've got a slapper. So let me take it apart, because it comes apart quite easily. Now that should come out. And there's your doo-doo, there's your pin, and there's your 3 little holes. But even I, with my one good eye, can see that bottom one is fucked. So we can drill it out, put a shim in it, and re-drill it out. Or we could drill it out and go and join a Foreign Legion. But let me show you close up, because it looks fucked to me. See the bottom one? Top one's on its way. It's years and years of crashing gears, I suppose, but that don't look too healthy, does it? Because you got to see that's flush there, so it don't really do a lot for you. So my line of thinking is to shim it. The thing is, the walls are so thin between them already. There's not a lot. If you put a shim in there, it's not going to be that fucking brilliant, is it? Several ways you could do it, obviously. I understand what the comments are going to be all about. But if that was off on a bench under a pillar drill, fair comment. The only way out was to drill that hole pretty big, so I can get a tap into it, tap it out, and then we'll see what happens then. I've marked out where the hole was, so I should be able to pick up. Right, that's bottom. Now we got to find a bolt to fit it. You see that is quite a big hole now. So we want something that size, which is 9 times 1.2 too far. He went to fucking prison. Right, with that far in, too high. You'd never know that was there unless somebody come and told you. Robert Nurden. Right. Robert Nurden's been doing stupid things again. If there was another alternative, I definitely would have took it, but I wasn't. Right, and this has got to be spot the fucking loony. Yeah. But that way a bit. Up a bit. Up a daisy. Right, we got a line, we got a dot, we got a place to drill. So yes. She only needs to be 1/4 inch deep. Right, Confucius says give it 2 taps with 1 hammer. That feels freaking pretty good to me. But when it's spinning, it's a different fucking ball game, isn't it? Well, that, believe it or not, who said I don't believe it? That, believe it or not, sounds like it fucking should sound. If you just hold out there and tighten that. Something like that. Not too tight, not too fucking loose. The size of the nut is the size of the tart. So be honest, how old is that gearbox? Come on. I've had this for 40 years. And it was a new when I had it. In fact, it was a old fodgy, but perhaps I'm an old fodgy now. So we'll give it a quick flyby, see what we're thinking here. Right, we're back on track. What we need in there, obviously what I was doing before I broke down, is a 20mm. Oh, so if we go like up to 19 and then reamer, we should be close. So right, I'm happy with that. It's all working-ish. Thanks for watching again. I can't wait to see the comments, you know. Oh, you shouldn't have done it like that. You know, it's going to be one of them. But I got to do what I got to do, because I'm not spending money at this age. Right, folks, this is from over the shop. So if you see anything you want, just give us a PM, and I'll weigh it and give you a good price. These 2 lions are obviously going to Yui, but you know, if you made one, you can make 1000. So is there anything on here you want, plus what's upstairs on the wall behind me, plus anything you want to send me, as in drawing wise, plus anything you want me to make you, plus anything and everything, I will do it for you. I give Huey a price on the 2 lions. Huey's happy as Larry, and as I said, I'll do my utmost best to keep the price as low as possible. You're going to pay for the aluminium, the courier, and maybe hours labour, nothing more. The fuck's all the noise? Are you guarding them, are you? They're my best ones, are they? You guarding them? Fat face? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, you bite my foot, would you? You bite my foot, would you? He loves to play, but he can only play for about 5 minutes. He just gets absolutely knackered. And he goes and falls to sleep. Smells, don't it, boy? Oh, look at that. You didn't expect that, did you? It's called work, mate. Work. Don't hold your nose up. Don't want to play no more?
Thank you.